Hi, I am Adil from Adillution, dash of Streamline Solution. Today we will see how to list files name from Windows folder to an Excel sheet. Let's watch. Go to your folder, select range, shift right click, copy as path, open new Excel sheet and paste here. You can see all files name imported here, but along with folder path also. I want to keep only file names. To do this, go to data tab, text to column, delimited option. Next, uncheck this tab, check here in other, backslash, next and finish. So you can see text backslash is now converted to a columns. I don't want to keep these two columns, just delete this and here is your list of files. So this will work for all version of Windows. Go to your folder, live demo is my folder here, then shift right click and open command window here, then dir / b angle bracket or greater than symbol, then directory list dir list.xls. If you are using a higher version of Excel, then have to type xlsx. Okay, then hit enter button, go to the folder. Yes, your directory list.xls is now created. Double click and you can see here is your full folder list, but this method is limited up to Windows 8 only. In Windows 10, shift right click over a folder will not give you the direct option of open command window here, but you can go to search bar, type cmd and open command prompt. C drive and user folder will be selected by default, and if your folder placed in other drive, then you can change directory by typing cd /d space d colon d. Here is my drive name, and live demo is my folder name. You can see here, this is my folder live demo under D drive. Okay, so now hit enter button. So this will do the same job what we did with the shift right click previously, and then you can repeat the same command dir / b angle bracket and dir list.txt. This time we will generate a list in text format. Okay, then hit enter button. Now you can see the directory list has been created. So now you can copy this one and paste to an Excel sheet or wherever you want. That's all. For more updates, subscribe Adillution and press bell icon. See you.